Bharat finally got its independence on August 15, 1947. Although this independence came after a painful and horrific partition of Hindus' historic and spiritual homeland, the world witnessed one of the largest migrations and mass slaughter of people ever seen in recorded history. The overwhelming majority of Hindu population was driven out of West and East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh. Hindus all over the world are facing serious threats to their right to exist. Problems were particularly acute in Pakistan and Bangladesh, where Hindus suffer numerous instances of mass genocide. Hindus living in other parts of the world, such as Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Bhutan, Indonesia, Caribbean, Africa, Fiji, are facing discrimination and humiliation largely on the account of their Hindu identity. There was neither a government nor an organization worldwide to effectively look after the interests of Hindu. It was in the context of this background, Hindus from different backgrounds had decided to form an organization to strengthen Hindu society throughout the world. Prominent and respected leaders such as Swami Chinmayananda Saraswati, Sri M.S. Golwalkar, Sri Shivram Shankar Apte, Sardar Master Tara Singh, and Jain Muni Sushil Kumar on August 29, 1964, on the day of Krishna Janmashtami, the assembled leaders finally formed the Vishwa Hindu Parishad VHP. VHP will complete its 50th anniversary of its formation in 2014. Over the past 46 years, VHP has served Hindu society with great effort. The most prominent example of VHP's contribution to the Hindu resurgence was during Sri Ram Janmabhoomi movement, which was the monumental agitation by the Hindus demanding the restoration of holy site of the birthplace of Bhagwan Ram to Hindu society. Our forefathers have worked hard to nourish and preserve Hindu society for most part. Other societies were ruled by either imperialistic Muslims or Christian forces, failed to retain their native religious traditions and instead were converted to religions of their conquerors. Hindu society, however, in the subcontinent valiantly resisted over a period of 1200 years. Given this scenario that confronts Hindus, it is necessary to reassemble once again. It is appropriate to commemorate, to celebrate our valiant legacy during the Swarna Jayanti. World Hindu Foundation proposes to organize the first World Hindu Congress in the year 2014. Features of the first World Hindu Congress. The theme envisioned is the Hindu principle of Sangachhadvam Samvadhadvam, which means step together, express together. With the guiding principle and as our inspiration, there will be several conferences held during the Congress. Hindu Youth Conference, conducted by Hindu Student and Youth Network, with the theme Harnessing the Dynamic Spirit and Energy of Hindu Youth by Shaping the Next Generation of Leaders of the Hindu Resurgence. Hindu Economic Conference, conducted by World Hindu Economic Forum, with the theme of Shaping the World Economy along with making Hindu society prosperous, so that it can decisively influence the world economy. Hindu Political Conference, conducted by World Hindu Democratic Forum, with the theme of encouraging Hindus to ascend to the highest levels of political process. The primary goal is to provide a platform of Hindu parliamentarians, legislators and aspiring politicians from all over the world so that the Hindu politicians can develop strategies to strengthen Hindu society in the respective countries. Hindu Educational Conference, conducted by Hindu Educational Board, with the theme that education will be instrumental for the Hindu reawakening and revival. The conference will bring together the top experts and experienced officials in the field of education who can pool their expertise and experience to develop strategies to providing a quality, well-renowned education to all members of Hindu society. Hindu Organizational Conference, conducted by Hindu organizations, temples and associations, HOTA Forum, with the guiding theme of Organization is Strength. The primary goal is to provide a platform for the Hindu organizations, associations and institutions that are nobly working to serve Hindu society in their individual capacities. Hindu Women Conference, conducted by Hindu Women Forum, inspired by the theme of increasing the role of women in Hindu Renaissance. The primary focal point of the conference will be to develop numerous strategies and initiatives for Hindu women to gain a critical experience for the global Hindu resurgence and renaissance. Hindu Media Conference, conducted by Hindu Media Forum, guided by the theme of establishing a robust Hindu presence in all forms of the media. A satirical quote from the James Bond movie Tomorrow Never Dies sets the tone of New World Order. The power-hungry villain in the movie, Elliot Carver, who was a media mogul bent upon world domination, said that Caesar had his legions, Napoleon had his armies, I have my divisions, TV, news, magazines, and by midnight, I'll have reached and influenced more people than anybody in the history of this planet. God save himself.